Hey, what's up, YouTube? So Frank again here. Went out fishing to San Francisco Bay for a halibut, and I pulled a rookie mistake. I didn't double check the camera to make sure it was recording properly. It was actually only taking pictures. So I want to give a couple shout outs real quick to First Christian for taking me out the other day, out in the Bay first time. So that was awesome. Thank you. And the Fresh and Salty crew here, who are always answering my stupid questions on Facebook and helping support the community here. So yeah, I caught my first halibut. It wasn't too big, but at least it was legal, and it was my first one, so I was happy to get one on a kayak. And you know, can't wait to get back out there again, maybe going on Friday. So here you go, guys. There's a guy out here on like a catamaran thing. Rowing. How's it going, man? He's rowing away. Like, that's not what I would be doing. I'm too lazy for that shit. I got my feet down here. Heading back now. Went as far as I wanted to get too close to the Golden Cage. I mean, Bay Bridge. I'm already 41 feet of water right now. 58 degrees. Doing about 1.3 miles an hour. 11:09 a.m. It's the lowest tide right now. I'm pretty sure this is the lowest tide right now. So who knows? Maybe I'll get a bite on the low tide. It's not usually the best, but hey, you gotta get out when you can get out, and that's just that. You know what I mean? You can't control the tides. So look at that. You can see the inside of the cut right there. All the military ships are at, the naval base, and Eliminated Rock Wall. That's the inside of that rock wall area. It's pretty cool. I've never seen it from this side. I don't think I've ever walked out to the end. I don't think you could walk out to the end at that. So there comes another kayak guy coming at me though. You know, much relax. Got my music on. People are talking. I don't know if you can hear them. Radio chatter's going on.
Start your broadside to me. I'll get up there. Then you can pass it to me in the mirror.
Got fish on, boys. Oh, he's a small one. Let me just get him in the net then. I don't want to net him, but I don't know. He's a small guy though. He's a small guy, but whatever. They might be around here. Good luck. hook out real quick, you know.
We got to see a humpback whale came up about 8 feet in front of our boat.
I got a bump one right here. I got a bump one right here.
Yeah, that's why you when you got the thing wide open, you have to go.
Yeah, we were actually more wrong.
It's small, but you never know.
Now it's top the elevator. Are you using frozen bait or live bait?
Live bait, place closed. Went by there this morning.
Maybe, right? Strapped in here. I guess trying to take off. He's 22 and a quarter, 22 and a half. 22 and a quarter, 22 and a half. Yeah, he's a keeper. I'll take this guy home.
Well, maybe I'll see you when you get in.